What's up guys, we're like 10 minutes away from the track, but the track owner actually is repaving the road that leads to the track. And if you've been to Apple Valley Speedway or Grange in the past, then you'll know that it's just a nightmare. I've never done it in a lowered car, but I would be scared to. But we're coming up on it, so I just want to show you guys that. There it is. Wow, that is huge. Oh, I can go straight. Oh, oh my gosh. And then it turns to shit. I think they're gonna redo this entire paved area, but they're doing it in sections. I think. I don't know. I hope, because the city has not taken care of this road at all, and it has turned to complete shit. The Skyline made it once again, really close to the break-in. At this point, I think we're only gonna need a couple hundred more miles after this. But we are back here with Mr. Devin and his Shitbox 240. Devin's on the track right now. I am just here. I got my laptop, just editing some of the pictures. I'm trying to get better at action photography, pictures of like when the car is actually moving and drifting and stuff. I'm really struggling with it. I got some good ones this time, thankfully, but I'm still trying to get better. So if you're new to the channel, you probably don't even know Devin, and I've been trying to get him to continue to make YouTube videos because he's made like 3. The last thing that he recorded was cutting his front end off, and now it's a full cage, full tube front LS swap 240. So I'm gonna have him explain some of the things on the car just because he won't do it in his videos.
A few inches later.
I'm Devin, Blockworks, with my 240 SX that Jimmy and I and a couple friends and my fiance Liz have been building. S13 hatchback, LS 53 aluminum block, T56 Tremec, all the angle mods and suspension mods and arms and coilovers and all that. It's running on a Phytech EFI system, makes just under 400, and it's pretty rowdy. Today we came out to Apple Valley Speedway to do some playing around. Took some damage on the body, but the car survives. This is it. You know, the hydro rear brake, all the NRG goodies on the inside, arc switch panel.
And used to be
and
RB.
It used to be an RB.
When it was cool.
Yes, it was an RB before. And then when I went to Pro-Am build, I switched to the LS and did the fuel cell in the back and the battery and the AccuSump and all that. The RB was a blast for 5 years I ran it. But for Pro-Am, the LS is just like a better route to go. And I already had the LS, so we pulled the RB out and then did the cage and the firewall, the tube front and everything, like the full Pro-Am build like at once. Here it is today. She's a ripper.
I think you need just a little bit more camber.
Oh yeah.
And then you'd be good.
I'm gonna match the front, you know?
No, more than the front.
Oh, okay, there we go. Because see, these are what John runs. He gave me these. These are 255/40. So they're taller. These are 255/35. Which most go down to 35. A lot of them don't come in 40.
Every single time I come out here, I want to have my own S13 hatch drift car. Like, every time. Moment of truth. We'll get there one day, but for now, I'm living vicariously through Devin's 240 build. Already gone through some tires. Ken does. I guess he seems to like these now.
You can turn it over and not spill it. You need a better funnel, buddy. Yeah. See? Just go like this. Then.
Watch it spill it everywhere.
I don't know. I did last time. See?
That seems like a lot of work.
Hey, you know what? It works.
Sure.
You just gotta. Ah, fuck! Damn it! See what you guys did. We're not watching. Damn it! Right on the exhaust. Ah, fuck.
So we were just driving and we heard a weird noise.
Huh?
Mr. Devin leaves his axle nuts loose.
It's because all the horsepower I make, dude. They just get loose.
It's like the U-joint in the boot. Yeah, it's all fucked up because it moves up and down as I go change direction. He's like his axle is about to break, but it's the end of the day, so he's just gonna send it and we'll see what happens. The day is coming to an end. Devin is going out for one last time. We'll see if that axle holds up. Mr. Drift Slayer. I'm so glad that the Skyline has been reliable so far. Starting to rev just a little bit higher. I'm going to like 3,500 instead of 3,000. I went to 4,000 a couple times just because there was an uphill on the way over here. But the motor seems very strong. I'm very happy that we made it this far. There's Mr. Shredder. Bye-bye. So far Devin's gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tires and he just threw 2 on. I don't think he's gonna get through them all because the event is over in like 20 minutes. No one's on the track right now because the 350Z spun out or something's going on with that, so it looks like they're just gonna be sitting in the line. I really wish I had my 240 right now. Just go mob around. So they just came back and it had a little bit of an accident. That'll buff out. Oh no. You trying to take it off? Or? And this just happened. Mr. Drift Slayer plowed into the back. This is all from his tire. And this is from his like front fender area. And the night is over. Such a fun day. I can't wait till I have my own drift car and I can be out there with them. Just gotta take care of some things first, you know, some big boy stuff, and then we can get into the drift world. Realistically, if I didn't buy this R32, I probably would have had a drift car by now. I've been told to just lower my 240 and throw street tires on it, but that's a lot of car to start off with the beginner. A 400 horsepower car with a lot of money put into it. I don't think that's a good way to learn. Maybe if I had a couple years experience already, then why not? But I just want a bone stock S13 hatch that I can just throw around, and it doesn't matter if I get a little ding here, a little ding there, go off track, go well, not a big deal. That's gonna happen at some point, maybe 2021, we'll see. Definitely by 2022, at least that's the goal. We'll see what happens though. But that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.